the Flames.
I got a big win.
Pitching for the Snowbirds is Holden McCutcheon, and leading off for the Flames is Evan McFarland. Here we go.
Oh shoot, I'm out.
And he hits it. Oh! And he's out. Nice play by Maddie Lorette.
He was safe by a mile.
He wasn't safe.
Bro, he didn't have the ball.
1 out.
Kind of got an ankle injury over here.
Now batting, David Pickford. Holden McCutcheon pitches it. Oh, and David swings and misses.
Was that would have that been a strike? On mine?
No.
It wouldn't have been?
No.
Weird.
Strike 2, and he's out. And yes, we are doing 2 strikes, not 3. And up the bat, Cohen LeMay. And he foul ball. Foul ball. 1-1. That's a strike. That's 3 outs. Evan pitches it, and that's a hit by pitch for Maddie Lorette. Connor wants his team to get on the board, and that's a strike. What a pitch by Evan McFarland. And Holden McCutcheon is really mad at the pitcher right now. 2 straight batters, and oh, he's swearing up Sam McLean. And he hits him! 3 straight batters Evan McFarland hit. They might want to take him out. Connor, will he hit a grand slam? Ball. 3-0. Connor swings that one. That's it. And it drops. Cohen makes an error. Safe. He's out. We're playing with the Pee-wee bags. Oh. Maddie Lorette. Holden was out at third. And that's a ball. What will he do? And he foul ball. Strike 3. How do you feel on your strikeout, Maddie?
Not that happy. The bat's too short. It wouldn't reach the ball. The bat's ball.
Now up Holden McCutcheon, 3-0. And that is ball 4. Evan is not pitching too well out there. And that's ball 4. Take your base. Sam McLean. Now base is loaded for Connor LeMay. It is 1-0. It is 2-0 actually, not 1-0. Connor's team's up 2-0 in this playoff game. And winner goes to the finals. There's no series. It's just winner goes to the finals. Connor wants to give his team a bigger lead, and he tried to do it there, but he swings and misses. Connor does it, and that is not gone. It might score at least 2 runs. And Holden is safe at the plate. That is 4-0 for the Snowbirds. 5-0 for the Snowbirds. It's 4. It's actually 4 runs here up the bat. The leadoff hitter for the Snowbirds, Maddie Lorette. Is Maddie gonna swing? Maddie leaves it go, but that is a strike.
Hit right here. Hit bottom.
That hit corner.
You're up 4-0. I don't care. No, it hit bottom. You guys are up 4-0. It's still hit bottom. You still gotta play fair.
Nothing, but in blitzball, it's easy to come back.
Yes, it is, Alex. Yes, it is.
Holden is still pitching. And he throws a strike, but that is a foul ball. Holden throws it. And Evan hits it. Is he going to catch it? Maddie catches it, and that is an out.
That was a freaking huge rock.
Now up the bat is David Pickford. In the middle, right down Broadway. Lincoln says hi to the camera. And he is out. 2 outs on the play.
Hello, Alex.
Hi. Lincoln says hi. Cohen, the team leader, swings and misses at a ball. Nothing, 2 outs.
Evan is getting
And he fouls it off. Holden's pitching it. And Cohen, he swings and that's a foul ball. On the board. Will he do it with a home run? And that's strike. Hell of a game. How are you pitching that good? It's 4-0 for.
well, I throw the ball. He has long hair. Strike zone, and that's about it.
Yeah, that's what he does.
Here with the team captain, since we're pretty close, I think we're gonna let him continue pitching. He's not even halfway there, so.
I'm the best first baseman in the league. Not even half.
I like donuts.
Hey, Sam likes donuts. Now they're switching their pitcher out. David Pickford is pitching for the Flames. Snowbirds up 4-0, and Holden is leading off. The amazing pitcher. David throws it. Holden hits it, and that is a bomb. Gone. Holden just hit a bomb. Holden puts Connor's team up 5-0.
I didn't swear.
And Connor's going to get that bliss ball that someone hit that. And that is a bomb! Home run for Sam McLean! Sam's first home run! It's his first home run in Northeast Blitzball.
Let's go!
Still got to touch base. Let's go.
Let's go!
That's another run on the board.
Sam McLean, what do you think of your home run?
I hit it hard, and I still like donuts.
Yeah.
Crush that one.
Now up to bat, Connor LeMay, the team leader. Will he take his team? Will he get another home run and take his team to a 7-0 lead? And that is a ground ball. No one was playing in the field. Oh, full count. That's ball 4. Take your base, Maddie Lorette. Connor's team is up 7-0. Holden McCutcheon up to bat. The best pitcher right now. He's pitching on wheel, and he just hit a home run his last at bat. Will he do it again with runners on first and second? David pitching. And that's a strike. What a pitch by David Pickford. That's a ball. 1-1. Holden wants to get another home run, and that hits him. On first and second for Holden McCutcheon. That ball did not hit him. He leaned into it. And that's strike 2, and he's out of here. He's still playing a hell of a game. Have a new pitcher. Cohen wants balls, so we'll give him balls. And we gave him all the balls we can. Folks, we'll come back when he's done warmed up. I forgot to film the first 2 pitches, but Cohen LeMay pitched 2 balls to the first, and that's a ball 3.
This pitch, and it is going to be a ball. I'm calling it right now. Ball to starter. Ball bat up my butt.
He wants to bring me walking.
Yeah!
Pitching from Rally Cap. Alright. David was pitching from there too. Winner goes on because David was on World Series.
And a perfect.
Perfect game!
the MVP.
What? Holden. Yeah.
You have to say it.
Okay, everyone!
We need to announce
Did
MVP.
David join the team? Oh, yeah.
I lost my sunglasses.
Who's coming? Holden.
And the MVP of this game is Holden McCutcheon! What are you
Basically a perfect game.
Game over.